Essential calculus topics with examples. Derivatives differentiation. A derivative represents the rate of change of a function or the slope of its tangent line. Example: basic differentiation. Find f derivative if f of x equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 7. Solution. Step 1. Apply the power rule. d by dx of a times x power n is given by the formula n times a x power n minus 1. Hence, f derivative of x is given as 2 times 3, x power 2 minus 1 plus 1 times 5, x power 1 minus 1, minus 0. As derivative of any constant is 0. Now simplify the expression. It will be equal to 6x plus 5. Example: product rule. Find f derivative of x. For f of x is x squared plus 3 times x minus 4. Solution. Step 1. Use the product rule. d by dx of u, v is given by the formula u derivative v plus v derivative u. Let u equals to x squared plus 3, and v be x minus 4. Apply power rule. Then u derivative is 2x and v derivative is 1. Substitute the values in the above formula, then f derivative of x is given as 2x times x minus 4 plus 1 times x squared plus 3. Now simplify the expression. It will be 2 x squared minus 8, x plus x squared plus 3, which equals to 3x squared minus 8, x plus 3. Thanks for watching.